In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the filler neck for the front gas tank on a Ford F-150. Go to the most forward gas tank door, that's the front. Take the gas cap off, set it aside. I have a 9/32 socket. I'm going to remove all 3 of these mounting screws. Now I'm going to go into the vehicle and pull down that filler neck. With a flathead screwdriver or 8mm or 5/16 socket, disconnect the clamp for the rubber hose that goes to the filler neck. Now I'm going to get a pick and use a flathead screwdriver if you can get in there. Try not to puncture the rubber hose. You're just breaking it free from the metal. Go all the way around. All right. Okay, now that we got that clamp off and the rubber hose is off, I'm going to take the mounting clamp right here with my 5/16 and disconnect it from the bracket. Now I can reach up, pull that clamp off, slide it forward. I'm going to pull the neck down from the filler gas cap, twist it a little way this way. All right, now we can start to pull that long rubber hose out. There it is. All right, so now I'm going to put my clamps on. That's kind of important to make sure you have them on the tube before you slide this through. This is nice because it's a flexible style. It has all these bends to it. Shouldn't be as bad. Put it back in. Just has to make it around that bend inside that gas tank. Okay, now that we've gotten that all the way down, we can push it over the main hose until it seats a little bit. Now I'm going to tighten the clamp on the hose with my 5/16 socket. And the clamp on the bracket that mounts it. I've got the spigot all lined up with the 3 bolts on the top, so I can lower it and tighten it up. Now you can put your 3 mounting screws back in. Put your gas cap back on. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.